Hey guys, today's another video, and today we're going to be playing this weird fire truck game that I found on Gaming Wonderland. So let's get our water. Yeah, yay. Hold on. I gotta get a bit more water than that. Okay, that's all the water. Oh, no, that's not all the water. Oh, come on. Oh, God, this is not working for me. Okay, let's just get out of here. This game is really hard because your water falls out. Yep, like that. Exactly like that. I've got 2 drops of water. 1 drop of water left. This is a... Oh. Now I gotta go back. Hold on. I'm gonna go back to level 1. Select level. Level 1. This one's easy. Okay. Gotta get the water. Okay. Alright, we're out. Okay, what's building? Oh, it's just a building. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, so this is the fire truck game. Now, I remember there being something. Wow, this building is far away. Hold on, I need to do something. Don't mind them. Okay. Now, it's time to put the fire out. Yeah. All right, let's put her out. This one. Gotta get her out. All right, work. The next level, there's a hospital on fire. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna play some more games, because this game sucks. Alright, what should we play? No racing games, because those are hard. Let's see. Headshot. Let's play some Slither.io and go old school. What? Wait, no. Let's play Splix. Splix.io. What should my name be? It's going to be Jidge. That's like so random. Yes, I got purple. Alright, so this is Splix, and well, you can't touch your own body for some reason, or else you'll die. It's really weird. It's a pretty weird game. Okay. And you can take over other people's bases, but they can kill you if any part of your body is in your so close. Okay, game over. Now let's play. Yay, GG. So yesterday we were watching The Spy Next Door. It was so fun. What? I didn't even know you could do that in the game. Alright, so our base is getting pretty big. Hold on. I need to X that out. Ooh, that was a good one. That was a bad one. In a few months, we're going to be playing some Money Heights on this channel. Which is a game about pooping off of a roof. It is pretty funny. Okay, that was a biggie. Oh god. No. Jidge must win against you. No! 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 Okay. Well, I failed. I got the same color. Yes! All he had was a square, but still, I killed someone. This is kind of a snake-ish game, I guess. Alright, this is gonna be a really big one. Oh no. I've got a problem. Oh! Well, that failed. Let's play. I'm taking a large portion of his home. No, not that large. Alright. There we go. There's a big-ish portion of his home. That was weird. Okay, I killed him? How? Oh, he just left the game, maybe? I don't know. Well, something weird happened. Maybe a glitch or something. Who doesn't like this game, right? Like, this game is so cool. Alright, now I'm gonna try and kill him. Or I could just try and make my base a lot bigger. So you got the arrow keys that depend on you. Pow? What? We both die? Weird. Alright. A good color. One of my favorite colors, deep orange. That's what I call it, at least. I don't know what you guys would call this. Some of you might just call it orange. I call it deep orange. What? Oh, come on. What the? Alright. I'm gonna try and take over part of his base. Make it. Yeah. And part of his base too. I could never make my base that big. Okay. So. Game that turned from fire trucks to snakes making home bases. Okay. Quite the switcheroo. Gotta kill him. Yes. Got him. Alrighty. If someone kills me, I'm gonna be so mad. Ridiculously mad. Hey, what is that guy doing? Me take over his base. Yes! I got him. Whew! That was a close one. Alrighty. So yeah, this is Splix. Pretty cool game. What? Oh, shoot. Well, I guess we could end the video right here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!